Hello friends, here in this video we are going to see about the press working operation and their applications. So let us talk about first what is meant by press working. So press working may be defined as it is a manufacturing process by which the various components are made from the sheet metal. This process is also called as cold stamping, and the machine used for this press working is called as press. So here we have one typical diagram of press working process. In this press working process, there are three major elements. First one we have punch, second one is our workpiece, and third one is die. So over the die, the sheet metal is kept, and we have to apply the force over this workpiece with the help of punch, and then we get the desired component. Now we are going to see about the press working operation. So here the sheet metal operation done by the press may be grouped into the two categories. First one is the cutting operation and second one is the forming operation. So let us talk about first the cutting operation. In cutting operation, the workpiece is stressed above its ultimate strength. That is what the basic condition of this cutting operation, and the stress caused in the metal, the applied force will be a shear stress, and then the cutting of that metal will be done due to this shear stress. So in cutting operation, there are total 7 operations. First one is blanking, second one is punching, third one is notching, fourth one is perforating, fifth one is trimming, sixth one is shaving, seventh one is slitting, and eighth one is lancing. So these are the some operations which includes in the cutting operation, and the basic condition in cutting operation, the stress is above its ultimate strength, then and then the cutting of material will takes place. Second, we have the forming operation. In forming operation, the stresses are below the ultimate strength of the metal, and then the forming operation can be done. In this operation, there is no cutting of metal, but only the contour of the workpiece is changed to get the desired product. So in simple language, we can say that in forming operation, the stress are kept below its ultimate strength, and in this operation there is no actual cutting of metal takes place, but in this forming operation, the shape of the material or the contour of the workpiece is changed to get the desired product. So in forming operation, there are three operations include. First one is bending, second one is drawing, and third one is squeezing. So this is what about the press working operation. Next, we are going to see about the applications of press tool. So here some of the applications of press tool. First one is blanking, second one is piecing, bending, forming, forging, trimming, parting, and drawing. So this is what about the press working operation. So we can say that here in press working operation, the sheet metals are converted into the required shape and size of the material with the help of manufacturing process, and that manufacturing process is called as press working. Thank you for watching for this video.